Hi guys, how are you? I got a little friend today. So here, like it? Try to get it to explode. Here, listen. Might feel good, guys? I'm probably annoying. If you want to subscribe, I don't care. I'm annoying. Alright, so technically this video is where when I see a car, I air horn them. There's liquid in here. Ew, that smells disgusting. Oh, there's a truck. Wait for him to turn this way. Oh, yes. I'm annoying. I'm annoying, ain't I? Guys, I am annoying. Oh, I found a balloon. Like that, Mr. Balloon? Little car. Oh, and there's another car. Oh, that's an old lady. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Oh, there's a creepy van coming. There's a creepy van! That is not my name. My name is Leave King. There's a creepy van. It's half left. I bought this for $7 at the store. I just pull it out like nothing. You guys are probably mad at me for just pulling a air horn out like nothing. Here, I'm gonna cover my thing. I'm gonna go in front of my house and blow my air horn. Yeah, that is annoying. Guys, that is so annoying. Oh, some kids. I'm rude. So rude. Here, let me zoom in. See them over there? Let me zoom it in. Okay, which one does that? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go prank my sisters. Let's go right now. Oh, they're inside. Okay. Never mind then. I'll just chill out right here. I'm waiting for another car. Oh, there's one coming. Well, can't find any more cars. Oh, last run of the day. So, make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on all post notifications. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.